is solving a system by multiplying both equations. Now, just like in the last example, we multiplied one equation to make it the same, or the inverse, right? Here, do you see anything close to that? No. So that means we're going to have to multiply both equations by something. Okay? What do you think? 1 does not change anything. So we will never multiply times 1. Jacob. If I multiply times -2 on the top, and then 3 on the bottom, then you'll make them the same, right? You're trying to make the y's the same? Yeah. Okay, we could do that. I'd rather make them inverses. Is that okay with you?
No, it will make them inverses.
Okay, so let's take a look. So we're going to multiply this first one times 2, right? Positive 2. And then the second one, we're going to multiply times 3. You see? So this is going to be a positive 6, and this is going to be a negative 6. You got that? All right. So let's rewrite over here. So we've got 8x plus 6y is equal to, what's that? Negative 38. Right? Is that right? All right. So now we're going to multiply times the 3 in the second equation. So this is going to be 9x, and then this will be minus 6y is equal to negative 30. And because we have inverses, we will add our equations. You got it? All right. So here we've got 17x. These will cancel. Is equal to a negative 68. Then we will divide 17 on both sides. So x is equal to negative 4. So now we're going to take that x at negative 4 and we'll substitute it into one of the originals. So one of the originals would be, we're going to put the 4, negative 4, right there. So we've got 4 times negative 4 plus 3y is equal to negative 19. So negative 16 plus 3y is equal to negative 19. We'll add 16 on both sides. So 3y is equal to negative 3. Divide by 3. And y is equal to negative 1. So my solution, x comma y, is negative 4 comma negative 1. All right, problem 5 is finding the number of solutions. How many solutions does the system have? Now, remember that if you get a true statement, 7 equals 7, right? That means what? If it's a true statement, you have infinitely many solutions. If it's a false statement, that means no solution. Very good. So, when we're looking at this problem, we've got a negative 2x plus 5y is equal to 7. And we've got a negative 2x plus 5y is equal to 12. So we're going to subtract, okay? So we're going to subtract because we have the same for the x's and the y's, right? Now, remember, when you subtract, it's leave it, change it, right? When you subtract, it's leave it, change it, you're going to add the opposite, right? Okay. So we're going to leave it, change it, okay? So, leave the first equation the same. This minus becomes plus. This negative becomes positive. This positive becomes negative. And this positive becomes negative. Now it's the way I like it. So now we can just add the equations. So, negative 2 plus 2, negative 2x plus 2x. So we have negative 2 plus a positive 2. That cancels out, right? We've got positive 5y plus a negative 5y. That cancels out. So this is 0. This second one, the x's are 0, the y's are 0. So 0 plus 0, of course, is 0. And 7 plus a negative 12 is negative 5. So for this is a false statement. Therefore, no solution. Is everybody clear?
Yeah.